welcome back to Tesla Grow Green and my plant experiment, which has been going on for quite some time. This is my irradiated side with my mini multi-wave oscillator that I've invented for a plant, the Plantagon, which is under here at the moment. Unfortunately not running because I had a little bit of an event. Flood. Contractor put the sump pump, flooded the whole basement. Not much, but enough to cause some issues. So my time-lapse camera is not on at the moment. And my plants, obviously, in my hyperbolic chamber that I created for them. This is the non-tested side. This plant right here is a year older than the one right here. But other than that, you can see the difference for yourself and tell me, how do you think it's going? Looks pretty beautiful, that one. Looking great. These are multi-wave oscillator antennas used for humans back in the 1800s, cancer and tumors. My antenna is a plant antenna made out of the original material. Here's the unradiated side for you to have a look at. Let's have a look. Looks like a jungle. Let's have some fun. But luckily, the chamber is still going, test is still on.